welcome to my channel. Lorraine here. Thank you for joining me. I've had a busy couple of days making another journal. I've been making quite a few, but they've been orders for people, so I haven't been able to share them because obviously I don't want to spoil the surprise when people receive the journals. So this one is going to be going into my Etsy store, so I can share this one with you. And it's an eclectic one. I've just called it Pretty in Pink because I wanted to do a girly journal. So here it is. It's fabric covered with this lovely polka dot cotton fabric. It's got 3 signatures that are stitched in and just over 100 pages. It measures 6 inch by 8 inches and has a 1.5 inch spine. And it's got little bits of all sorts in. Some of the kits that I've used are from Antique Papery, Artisits, Kelly's Crafts, My Porch Prints, I'm trying to think as I'm going along, Happiness in Crafting, which is G-Care, and some tattered lace papers as well. And it's also got coffee dyed and food colour spritzed papers in. So we'll just have a look. So on the front cover I've made this topper out of it's vintage music paper and this collage paper. It's got a couple of Artisits tabs on and these lovely little flowers with pearls on them. It's got eyelets and ribbon closure, and inside, just trying to get so that you can have a good view of it. So the inside front cover, I've used this file folder and turned it into a pocket, and it's 2 pockets actually, one at the back and then the file folder itself, and inside are some tabs in there. Artisits paper, I think this is from Kelly's Craft as well. I'm sorry if I can't remember where everything came from. This is Antique Papery, and here I've just done some stenciling on this paper. A corner pocket that I've used up scraps of papers, and inside of there are a couple of tags and a little journal card. And again stenciling on that page. This I've left as a little pocket, so it's got this little butterfly ticket tucked into there. Again, some vintage music paper, and this book's a really old one that Christine Chu Hong sent for me, and it's beautiful paper, really tactile. Spritzed paper and some cotton lace trim around the edge of there. Again, Artisits, and here I've just made a triple pocket. I can't remember if I left it open. Oh yeah, because you could put a big tab at the top as well, but it's just 3 pockets there, and I've used doily on the front just to decorate it. I was going to put something else on the front of it, but then I thought no, the tabs will add the colour to it, so I didn't. I decided against. Here I've made a belly band out of some embossed card, and inside it I've glued down a journal card. So, and again some more stenciling on that page. I've got a new stencil and I love it. Here is just a little envelope from, I can't remember whose kit it is, I think it's Kelly's. It's a tiny little envelope, and inside just a little journal card, and that's just clipped in using a paper clip with a little bit of cotton lace on the edge there. some more digital, some more coffee stained and spritz this page with the cotton lace trim on the edge there. A lovely little corner pocket, and inside is a tag, a journaling tag, Artimade, that one I think, and another little, this is actually a drastically reduced page from one of Artimade's kits, and I've turned it into a little journal card. Some more stamping there. The centre of the first signature, I've put these pockets in, and inside is a large journal card, just using up some digital papers. This is one of the tattered lace papers. I've stencilled on the page as well, and here I've just made a little pocket tab, so you've got a tag in there, and the little front is a pocket too, and it's got some sari silk on there, and this just mirrors that as well. Some more stenciling, some more cotton lace trim, pretty girl daisies, more stamping on these two pages. Again, stamping, stenciling rather, not stamping, stenciling around the edges. And the next signature, again this is Artimade's, no it's not, Antique Papery and Antique Papery, and I've joined these two pages together, and inside is a large cabinet card for journaling. Some more of the food colouring. It's red, proper red, but when you've sprayed it, it goes this lovely strong pink colour. And another of the little envelopes, again with another little journal card inside. So some more stenciling, another little corner pocket that I've made using up scraps. It's got this little tuck spot here with another ticket inside, and inside this is just a little journal card. This is one from Artimade as well. Again some stenciling on that page, more stenciling. Here I've used some coffee dyed paper and made a large pocket. I've collaged on the front of it and left this one open. This one's a little tuck spot, so you've got two little journal tags there. A little journal card in that pocket and a tag in that pocket. I've just put one of the little tabs on there just to add some interest on that blank page. Again stencilled and crochet the cotton lace trim on there. The centre of the second signature. Lots of journaling space in this. This is a pocket. I've used up some of the vintage music paper. I've backed it onto a card and stitched around, and it's just got this tag that I've made using again this is tattered lace paper, and it's got some sari silk trim on the top there. A little decoupage butterfly on there, some more stenciling. Again stencilled. This is a fold out. This is embossed. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's embossed and die cut. And inside is a tag behind some vellum paper. You flip it open and there's a little pocket here and a little pocket there, journaling space here, and a tag there. And this is glued in, so you can tuck things behind it. The flap from that serves as a tuck spot here, and behind there is a large tag for journaling on. Some more of the pink paper with the daisy trim, and again here I've used 2 pages and turned them into a large pocket with another cabinet card inside for journaling. Come. I'm at the wrong angle here, but I have to be at this angle for the camera, so it's difficult getting things in and out. And on to the third signature. Again, these are antique papery. Some more stenciling. Another pocket that I've made from coffee dyed paper, and I've just collaged on the front of a piece of pink cardstock and stuck it down onto the front. It's got a little tag in there. It's got a tag in there and another in there. Here I've used a file folder, but I've left it open so that you've got journaling space inside there, and I've put a little handmade tag inside there. I've just embossed the front on that for a pocket, and inside of there is tiniest little notebook. So it's a cutie. Here I've made an envelope from tattered lace paper again. I've put on a banner, so you can tuck something behind if you wanted to. You could tuck something underneath of there. And inside I've just put some coffee stained note paper. So again, journaling paper. And that's just clipped in, held on with the flap at one side and clipped in using a large paper clip with some ribbon on that trim. Here again is another of the file folders from Kelly's kit, and I've just left that again so you've got plenty journaling space, and left a pocket here with a tag inside of there. Some more stenciling. The centre of this signature I've created 2 large pockets, and inside each pocket is a journal card. I don't know where this one's from, I'm afraid. This one's My Porch Prints, and 2 little pockets here with little journal cards tucked inside there. I've left the strings on the signatures, and I've just fastened some buttons at the bottom, but they can be taken off if somebody doesn't want them there. Some more lace trim on the edge of that page. This is another, well, it was a notebook, but I've glued it down, turned it into a double pocket, and there's 2 tags in, so the back's still open, and then the front is also a pocket. Come. And it's stitched around as that. Some more stenciling. Another notebook that I've collaged to put this little calendar thing on. This is a My Porch Prints one, and I've just stenciled inside so it's suitable for journaling on, and again it's fastened in using this paper clip. Some more stenciling, and again another notebook that's I've put in, actually I haven't put there's a space here, I'll put another tab in, so you've lots of journal space there. And then the back page, I've used this, this is from, I think this is from My Porch Prints, forgive me if I'm wrong, and it's a large pocket, so you can tuck all sorts in there, and I've just put in a journal card, a vintage journal card, and this double tag This one's a freebie from Artisits. It's from a free kit. So that's it. That's the journal. I hope you've enjoyed watching it with me. And I'll try and link people below from bits of papers that I've used. Forgive me if I've forgotten anybody. If you recognise some of your work there, please forgive me. But I forget where I've got a lot of stuff from. But I will try and link you in. So enjoy watching, enjoy the rest of your day, and hope you get some nice crafting time in. Bye.